Advancements in linear motion technology. The integration of precision components and manufacturing expertise. The 7-axis robot arm enables precise, versatile movements in robotics, crucial for medical, aerospace, and manufacturing tasks. Core components include electric ball screw, linear actuators, which use screw bearings and ball mechanisms for smooth, high-load motion. Cross-roller bearings enhance stability by distributing loads and minimizing deflection, as seen in Toco Motion's LM series linear slide. Toco Motion, a China-based leader in linear components, integrates innovative technologies like exotic actuators materials with negative Poisson's ratio for enhanced stability. The screw-driven slides and motorized actuator systems paired with linear rails ensure rapid, controlled motion. Additionally, Milk Industries also contributes with advanced bearing solutions. These advancements, combining precision engineering and integrated systems, drive automation, efficiency, and reliability, shaping future industrial advancements. Toco Motion, a professional manufacturer in linear motion components in China.